All right, everyone, we made it to day 6. One more day to go after today. Congrats on all your hard work so far. And again, hopefully you're starting to feel your core. And remember, to feel your core even more, you can always do this video more than once to make it 10 minutes long. We're gonna start today in high plank in 3, 2, 5 minutes. Let's go. Strong high plank right here. We're gonna tap the right foot out to the right, the left foot to the left. Good, right goes right. Left goes left. Now remember, you can always modify a plank by dropping to your knees, or if you have any wrist pain or tension, you can be in forearm plank for most of the exercises. You're here for 3, side to side, in 2, side to side, 1 more. Tap it out. Good. Exhale to bring it in. All right, we drop our forearms down, one and then the other, make fist. We army crawl back for 3, 2, 1. Hold, forward, 2, 3, 4. Reverse the leading arm, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. Reverse the leading arm, good job. Forward, 2, 3, oh baby. Last time, back, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3. Hold your forearm plank for 5, 4. Come on, relax. 3, 2, 1. Good. Lay down onto your side. Fully lay down onto your side, not a side plank. All right, side V-ups in 3, 2, 1. Bottom arm is down. We lift up. 8, 7. Squeeze those legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pop it up into side plank. Good. Hold. 5, 4. High plank. 3, 2, 1. Press up. Tap out. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. Right, left. 1 more right, 1 more left. Lower your forearms with me. Ready? Lower down. Make fist. Army crawl back. 2, 3, woo! Up, 2, 3. Let's do this. Alternate your leading arms each time. Good. Switch up that work. Oh yes. We go back. 2, 3, 4. Forward. 2, 3. 1 more time. Back. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Other side, lie down. I'm just flipping so I face you. You can just roll over. All the way down into that bottom shoulder, okay? Top arm overhead in 3. Oh, hello, Miss Minnie. 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, 3, 2, 1. All right. Side plank. Ready, set, pop it up. Big hold right here, super strong. 5. High plank. 4, 3, 2. Make that transition right here. Big push. Hold it. Tap out. Tap out. Tap out. Good. Yes, I'm facing the other way, and that's okay. Good. Side to side. Good job. Give me 3. Give me 2. 1 more each side. Woo. 1. Good. Drop those knees. Now, lay flat on your belly. Good. Inhale, swim. So we've done many variations of belly down exercises. Now we swim. You can rest if you need to by lowering, lift, lower, lift, lift, or keep swimming with me. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Exhale. We did this yesterday. Tuck those toes. Press up. High plank. All the way down. Touch your chest. Tuck those toes. Ready? Press up. High plank. all the way down, touch your chest, 2 more. Tuck your toes, high plank, push up. All the way down, touch your chest. 1 more time, use your knees if you need to. Press up. Good, big push back to down dog for me. Exhale to plank, 3. Push back, 2. 1 more time, push back. Hold that plank for 3, 2, 1, done. Good job, guys. A lot of high plank work today. Again, stretch out your wrist if you need to. That was tough. 1 more day to go together. Awesome job.